In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a typewriter effect in PowerPoint. So I have this text box here. You can insert your own text box by going to the Insert tab and then just dragging in a text box or clicking and putting it in. So I don't need this right now since I already have one. But to add the text typewriter effect, just click on the text box and then go to the Animations tab and select any animation. So as you can see, if you want the classic typewriter, you would use Appear. If you want to make it unique, you can use any of these actually, and it would still work like a typewriter. Let's use, for example, Fade for this one. And now go to the animation pane. And now over here, you'll see this arrow drop down. Click on it, and then click on Effect Options. And now over here, under the Effect tab, Animate Text, set that to by letter. And then the percent, this is going to change depending on the animation you selected. If you selected Appear, it would be seconds, but here it's percent. So you don't have to change anything. You can make this 5% if you want it to be a smaller delay, but I think 10% is good. You can just click OK and it is actually going to play it for you. As you can see, it played. If you used Appear and we did the same thing, Effect Options, by letter, as you can see it says seconds delay. You can make this to 0.05 if you want, and that would do just like that. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.